Hey there, everyone. Meteorologist Mike Griffith for East Coast Weather Association. And I just want to give you a quick update on the forecast here. Right now, we're looking at the infrared satellite imagery across the eastern part of the United States with just a little bit of the west coast cut off there. And over the Atlantic right now, we're looking at a little bit of a swirl. This is interesting right here. Don't think that this is going to get overall that developed. I don't think it's going to turn into anything. It's just going to make its way east and move away. Interesting seeing something swirling out there in the Eastern Caribbean this time of year. It's February, people, and that's not very usual to be seeing such a pronounced low-level circulation here. Looking at this big blob of clouds and this mess out here, this is shower and thunderstorm activities here across eastern Texas, all the way up into northern part of the United States, northern plains. I'm not seeing a whole lot in the way of wintry weather here for us across the eastern seaboard. What this system will do, it'll break off, it'll actually move south of us and bring all the heaviest rains to Florida. Not going to be a big deal for us here, although it is going to be raining across much of the South, including Virginia, as we head into the middle of this upcoming week. Let me show you what I'm talking about here. Let's take a look at some of the forecasted precipitation amounts from our friends up there in Washington, D.C., the National Weather Prediction Center. And looking at the heaviest amounts here along the Gulf Coast, not surprising, this is that piece of energy that's expected to break off and head to the east here, and another piece moves to the north. Overall, light rainfall amounts in between, a little bit here up in Virginia, maybe about 1/10 of an inch, but I'm thinking it's going to be a little bit more than this. So get ready for some dreary weather across the next 5 days here in the east. Enjoy the warmth and the sunshine while you can, because it is not going to last. It is just going to rain, especially at the end of this week as you move to points farther east. Again, it's going to be a lot cold, a lot warmer than usual here across the East Coast. The Arctic Oscillation Index wants to go negative. Some want to stay in the positive area. This is a pretty good the 7-day forecast ensemble here by the CPC, Climate Prediction Center. And this is going to be above the 0 line. It's going to remain in the positive for the most part, which means no cold air in the east. Nothing is going to be locked in as far as cold air, and we are going to remain warmer than usual. Not a big surprise. Just get out and enjoy the calm weather while you can with the sunshine, because that will be going away as the week progresses, and we will be getting a lot rainier and stormier as the week goes on. Meteorologist Mike Griffith for East Coast Weather Association. I wish you well.